Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Fiskars Donna Dewberry razor-edged that handles soft grip scissors. And it's meant specifically for denim, leather, multiple layers of fabric, just fabric in general. Usually if you have paper scissors, you want to keep it just to paper. These are the same way. You just only want to use these on fabric. And I have a t-shirt here to demonstrate. So say you want to cut the arm off of a t-shirt. Just go straight up that line. It cuts nice and sharp. All the way down. You can clean it up afterwards if you need to. It's nice, beautiful. And say you want to go through multiple layers. Let's see. Bind that up a little bit. Cut it down the middle. Cuts beautifully right down the center. All wound up even. Say you want to trim the bottom of a t-shirt off. Just follow the line of the t-shirt. A nice sharp edge. To be a little careful because it can get jagged. Oops, I'm not quite doing that well. All the way across. And then there's the bottom of your t-shirt cut off. Let me demonstrate how many layers you can really go through. So this is folded in quarters, folded in eighths, folded in, that would be 12ths. No, 16ths. And I'm going to cut through all these layers just to demonstrate the power of this, which is pretty amazing. I'll do it again one more time. Fold it in half, fold it in half again. Fold it in half again. Fold it again. Oops. One more time like that. So we're going through a good 6 layers of shirt here. Really not that difficult. Gotta squeeze a little bit harder. But there we go. Now I've got my shirt cut into little squares, little bits. You can basically use this on any fabric. Like I said, leather, denim. I'm just using it on t-shirt. Here's the scissors again. This is what they look like. How they open. How they close. It's not a real light thing. This is a nice heavy set of scissors. I've had these for a little while. I enjoy them very much. I think they're a great purchase. I'd give them about 4.5 stars out of 5. and I would definitely check them out. The Fiskars Donna Dewberry razor sharp edge scissors a try.